नमस्कार दोस्तों, सत्यलक्ष्य क्लासेस में एक बार आपका फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपको रेगुलर और फ्री अपडेट मिलता रहे। आज मैं आपके लिए सोशियोलॉजी के मैरिज टॉपिक से 35 सिलेक्टेड एमसीक्यूज विच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स, वो 35 क्वेश्चन लाया हूँ इस टॉपिक से। ये क्वेश्चंस रिसर्च्ड और सेलेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस हैं। ये सबसे टॉप इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं उस एरिया से, इसलिए मैं चाहता हूँ आप इसका पूरा पूरा लाभ उठाएं और इन क्वेश्चंस पे ध्यान दें। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो मैरिज सोशियोलॉजी का एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, उसमें से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, तो वही हम देखेंगे आज।
So question number 1, the marriage which is the result of mutual affection and love is called Gandharva, Rakshasa, Deva, Asura. What is the correct answer? इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, गंधर्व विवाह. गंधर्व विवाह is a result of mutual affection and love. Question number 2, exogamy is an experimental marriage, companion marriage, marriage within the group, marriage outside the group. What is the correct answer? Exogamy क्या है? D, marriage outside the group. Exogamy means marriage outside one's group. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Incest prohibition in marriage believes that there would be no marriage. What is the correct option here? Within the group, outside caste, with high caste people among close relatives. The correct answer is D, with the high caste people among close relatives. Question number 4. Marriage by capture is prevalent among which tribes of India? Marriage by capture is prevalent among which tribes of India? The correct answer is A, Gond. Gond tribe. In Gond tribe, marriage by capture is very prevalent. होता है उन लोगों में. Question number 5. Who defined marriage as a contract for the production and maintenance of children? Who defined marriage as a contract? What would be the correct answer? A, Malinowski defined marriage as a contract for the production and maintenance of children. Who? Malinowski. दिमाग में बिठा लीजिए. Next question. Question number 6. In tribal India, some tribes require a young man to prove his prowess before he can claim the hand of any girl in marriage. This is called, what is it called? This process, it is called marriage by trial. Marriage by trial is the correct option. Next question, question number 7. Polyandry is the form of marriage which implies. What does polyandry imply? Polyandry मतलब क्या होता है? क्या होगा इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन? A, one man marrying several men. One woman marrying several men. Sorry, one woman marrying several men means polyandry. Next question, question number 8. The Hindu Marriage Act of 1985. This is the second act. The first came in 1956. What is correct regarding the Hindu Marriage Act? A, the Hindu Marriage Act of 1985 extended the system of monogamy to the whole of India. पूरे इंडिया में monogamy का system prevalent हो गया. Question number 9. Which of the following is not one of the causes of polygyny according to Westermark? Not a cause of polygyny. Which one? What is the correct option? The correct option is C, fewer number of women. ये गलत है. This is not the cause of polygyny according to Westermark. Question number 10. Arranged marriages are not liked in many cases because the parents. Why are arranged marriages not liked in many cases? Because the parents. The correct option is A. The parents usually fail to take the temperaments of the boy and girls into consideration. This is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Question number 11. The marriage of a man of higher caste with the woman of a lower caste is known as man of a higher caste with woman of a lower caste. Which type of marriage? Anuloma. A. Anuloma marriage. Anulom or Anuloma marriage. Higher caste and lower caste. Question number 12. Which thinker has divided family into 6 categories? You can see the 6 categories. Who has divided family into these 6 categories? And the correct option is B. Ogburn and Nimkoff. Ogburn and Nimkoff. Next question. Question number 13. The marriage of a man with the childless widow of his deceased brother is known as? The marriage of a man with the childless widow of his deceased brother, dead brother, is known as levirate. Levirate. A. A is the correct option. Next question, question number 14. In the Ho tribe, marriage by intrusion is known as? Marriage by intrusion is known as what? In the Ho tribe, marriage by intrusion is known as? A. Upper TP. Upper TP. Upper TP is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Question number 15. The type of marriage in which a husband can have more than one wife is called? More than one wife. Which type of marriage? The correct option is A. Polygyny. Polygyny. Where a man can have more than one wife. Next question. Question number 16. Which of the following characteristics is not essential to family? Common habitation, mating relationships, state regulations, forms of marriage. Which is not essential to family? C. State regulations. It is not essential to family. It has nothing to do with the family. Question number 17. Which one of the following is not the important cause of divorce? इनमें से which is not the important cause of divorce? कौन सा नहीं है? Have a look and tell me the answer. The correct answer is C. Orthodoxy of the parents. This is not the correct. This is not a cause of divorce. Next question. Question number 18. Marriage by capture is prevalent among which tribes of India? Again, marriage by capture. What we know what is it is called now. The correct option is Gond. A. Gond. Marriage by capture is prevalent among the Gond tribe. Next question. Question number 19. Which of the following is a correct statement? Have a look at the statements. Incest pertains to sexual relationships. Exogamy pertains to sexual relations. Exogamy and incest both pertain to sexual relations. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Incest pertains to sexual relations. This is the correct option statement. Question number 20. In dash, one man has many husbands with all of whom she can cohabit in turn, and it is not necessary that these husbands are brothers. What kind of marriage or union is this? This is non-fraternal polyandry. Non-fraternal polyandry.
आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 पे. द फॉर्म ऑफ मैरिज इन विच men of lower caste marry women of superior caste is known as? किस नाम से जाना जाता है ऐसे टाइप का मैरिज? इसका सही ऑप्शन हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी प्रतिलोमा. बी प्रतिलोमा. लोअर कास्ट men of lower caste marry women of superior caste. प्रतिलोमा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. When boys from group A marry girls from group B, the boys from group B marry girls from group C, and boys from group C get girls from group A, thus completing a circle. This principle is known as? इसका ऑप्शन हो जाएगा ए रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एक्सचेंज. रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एक्सचेंज हो जाएगा इसका सही ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. मैक्सिमम सेटबैक हैज बीन गिवन टू एंडोगैमी सिस्टम बाय? सबसे ज़्यादा नुकसान किससे हुआ है एंडोगैमी सिस्टम को? Maximum setback has been given to endogamy system by what? A. Western system of education. Western system of education. इसका सही हो जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 पे आते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू ट्रेडिशनल हिंदू लॉ, मैरिज इज व्हाट इज मैरिज अकॉर्डिंग टू ट्रेडिशनल हिंदू लॉ? Sacrament, contract, regulation of prostitution, or none of the above? The correct option is sacrament. According to Hindu traditional law, Marriage is a sacrament. Next question. Question 25. Elementary system of marriage is characterized by which marriage? The basic system of marriage, मतलब यहाँ basic system of marriage किस marriage से को कहा जाता है, माना जाता है? It's C. Preferential. Preferential marriage is elementary system of marriage. Next question. Question number 26. Cross cousin marriage is a form of what? What type of marriage is cross cousin marriage? Any guesses? सोचिए. Cross cousin marriage is a form of what? The correct option is A. Exogamy. It is known as exogamy. It is a form of exogamy. Next question. Question number 27. In which of the following societies polygyny is not common? कौन से सोसाइटी में पॉलीगाइनी कॉमन नहीं है? कॉमन नहीं है पूछा जा रहा है. इज नॉट कॉमन. किस सोसाइटी में? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हेयर इज सी. द हिंदूज. हिंदू सोसाइटी में पॉलीगाइनी इज नॉट कॉमन. इट्स वेरी रेयर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. Sororate is a system under which brother is allowed to marry the wife of his deceased brother, elder brother is allowed to marry the wife of deceased brother, younger brother is allowed to have sexual relations with the wife of his elder brother, all the brothers have sexual relationship with each other's wives. The correct answer is A. Brother is allowed to marry the wife of his deceased brother. Sororate. Sororate is a system where brother is allowed to marry the wife of his deceased brother. Next question. Question number 29. In non-fraternal polyandry, woman is what? See the options. You can see the options. What would be the correct option? In non-fraternal polyandry, woman is, the correct option is D. The woman is permitted to have more than one husband who may or may not live at one place. Okay, that is fraternal polyandry. Question number 30. Which is the best form of marriage according to the Smritis? स्मृतिज के अनुसार सबसे बेहतरीन, सबसे बेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ मैरिज कौन सा है? विच इज द बेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ मैरिज अकॉर्डिंग टू स्मृतिज? इट इज ए. ब्रह्मा फॉर्म ऑफ मैरिज is regarded as the best form of marriage according to Manu Smriti or Smriti. Next question. Question number 31. In the Ho tribes, marriage by capture is called? हो ट्राइब्स में जो शादी होती है थ्रू कैप्चरिंग दी गर्ल, क्या जाना जाता है उसको? बी. ओपोरटिपी. ओपोरटिपी, दिमाग में बिठा लीजिए, ओपोरटिपी हो ट्राइब्स में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. द सिस्टम अंडर विच द बॉयज एंड द गर्ल्स आर अलाउड टू टेस्ट ईच अदर्स कंपैटिबिलिटी बिफोर मैरिज इज नोन एज? जिसमें लड़का लड़की एक दूसरे को जानते हैं और परखते हैं कि दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए कंपैटिबल नहीं है, इस टाइप के शादी को क्या कहते हैं? विच टाइप ऑफ मैरिज? बी. एक्सपेरिमेंटल मैरिज. ओके, सो इसको दिमाग में बिठा लीजिए. जहाँ कंपैटिबिलिटी देखने की बात आती है उसको एक्सपेरिमेंटल मैरिज कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. अंडर द हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट, टू पर्सन्स ट्रेसिंग देयर कॉमन एसिडेंसी थ्रू देयर फादर्स लाइफ आर कोलैटरल्स इफ दे लिव विद इन, कितने डिग्री में रहना चाहिए तो कोलैटरल होंगे? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए. 5 degrees on the father's side. Okay, according to Hindu Marriage Act. Next question. Question number 34. Which among the following is known as privileged relationship? इनमें से कौन privileged relationship है? You can see the options. Guess मारिए, ट्राई करिए. B. Experimental. It is a privileged relationship, experimental type of marriage. Okay. Next question. Question number 35. Which among the following forms of marriage was not approved? इनमें से कौन सा मैरिज अप्रूव नहीं किया गया कभी भी? Which is against the nature or against has not been approved. Which among the following forms of marriage was not approved? बताइए क्या होगा? C. पैसाचा मैरिज, जिसमें पैसाचा इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. पैसाचा वॉज नॉट अप्रूव्ड. सो इसी के साथ हमारा 35 क्वेश्चंस, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द टॉपिक ऑफ मैरिज एज एन इंस्टीट्यूशन इन सोशियोलॉजी हैज़ बिन कंप्लीटेड. हम और भी टॉपिक्स के साथ आएंगे आगे और हर टॉपिक से क्वेश्चंस लाएंगे, MCQs लाएंगे फॉर यू. थैंक यू. हमारे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट, शेयर करना ना भूलें। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ 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 लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट एंड शेयर। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ गुड डे।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.